So hi there beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susan if you're new here. In this video I want to share with you how I facial scrub, and the scrub that I'm going to be using is the one that I made myself. I'll leave a link in the description box for you. So I do this once a week, and I feel like that's enough for my face. You don't want to irritate your skin, you don't want to be too tough on your skin, and as a facial scrub is good for your skin. It helps your skin to feel smooth, get rid of dead cells, and yeah, enough of the rambling. Let's get into the video. So first things first, I get some water and then I wet my face. You don't want to go with your face when it's dry because it feels a little bit rough. Then what I do next is grab my scrub. I don't need much of it, so this is what I'm going for. Yeah, and then what I do next is I apply it on my skin like that. I think I even took much, so like that. Then I gently start to massage it in my skin, not forgetting the neck. You have to make sure that you're gentle, yeah, because you don't want to irritate your skin. I keep on saying that. And also, like when I'm scrubbing my face, I also don't forget my lips. I scrub them because they can also have some dead skin on them. Oh, now I've finished washing my face. This is kind of difficult because I normally do this in the shower, but for the sake of this video, I did it on the sink, just to show you how I use it. So after washing it, then you go in with your soft towel and then you dry your face. And important thing when drying your face, you don't want to go like nope. You just want to pat it until it's dry, making sure that all the scrub is off your face. Yeah. So my skin just feels so soft. Feels like I've just come out of my mama's womb. Oh. So then after drying your face, I go in with my moisturizer. It's tea tree facial moisturizer, calming effect, and I apply it on my skin just like that. Oops. But again, you don't need too much of it. And then I go ahead and massage it until it has absorbed in the skin. Again, not forgetting the neck. Just feels so nice. One thing that you want to always put in mind, you don't have to scrub too hard on your skin. You have to use a very light hand. And if the scrub, like if you're using store-bought scrub and you feel like it irritates your skin, then discontinue using it. If you notice some redness might be normal because of the scrub. But if it irritates your skin, then you discontinue using it. And yeah, with all the benefits of a facial scrub, my dear, you have to include it in your skincare routine. Yeah, and you don't have to exceed once or twice a week. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. And oh, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and cheers. Have a good night. I'm going to sleep. If it is day where you are or when you're watching this video, have a good day.